I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fit a VW Golf wing mirror. Start by parking on level ground and switching off the ignition, then lower the window for access. Locate and remove the interior trim or door card carefully to expose the mirror bolts. Disconnect the electrical connector and keep the clip safe. Test fit the replacement mirror for correct orientation before final tightening and reassembly of the trim. Begin by lowering the window and prying off the triangular trim cap with a plastic trim tool to avoid scratches. Unscrew the mirror mounting bolts while holding the mirror in place from the outside. Carefully unplug the electrical connector and free the mirror from the door. Keep fasteners and clips in a magnetic tray and inspect the mounting area for corrosion before fitting the new mirror. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is ideal for hands-free instructions while you work, so you can keep both hands on the job and ask for measurement conversions or music with voice control. Check the description for the link and other deals, and pick one up if it helps you stay focused and organized. Now let's get back to the video. Fit the new mirror by aligning the gasket and hand-starting the mounting bolts so the mirror sits flush. Reconnect the electrical plug and test the adjustment functions and heating before fully tightening. Torque the bolts to the recommended setting and replace the trim panel, ensuring all clips engage. Finally, adjust the mirror from the cabin for correct sight lines and take a short drive to confirm it stays secure and vibration-free.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.